Padt char platai stir-fried fish with chili, ginger and eggplants. Ingredients: 150 grams boneless, skinless snapper fillets, cut into 5 cm pieces. 2 tablespoons plain flour. 1½ tablespoon vegetable oil, plus extra, to deep fry. 6 eggplants, quartered. 3 cm piece ginger, peeled, thinly shredded. 3 fresh green peppercorns stems or 1 tablespoon pickled green peppercorns. 1 king brown mushroom, thinly sliced. 1 snake bean, cut into 3 cm pieces. 2 makrut limes leaves. 1 long red chilli, thinly sliced on the diagonal. ½ cup holy basil or basil leaves. 1 tablespoon fish sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon caster sugar. 60 milliliters, 1/4 cup, chicken stock. Curry paste. 5 red bird's eye chilies, roughly chopped. 5 garlic cloves, roughly chopped. 6 cm piece galangal, peeled, sliced. 1 lemongrass stalk, white part only, sliced. 3 cm piece ginger, peeled, sliced. 10 black peppercorns. Directions: to make curry paste, place all ingredients in a mortar and pestle or small food processor and grind to a paste. Dust fish with flour, shaking off excess. Fill a wok or saucepan 1/3 full with oil and heat over medium heat to 180 degrees Celsius, or until a cube of bread turns golden in 10 seconds. Add fish and cook, turning, for 3 minutes or until golden. Remove with a slotted spoon, drain on paper towel and set aside. Heat 1½ tablespoon oil in a separate wok or frying pan over medium heat. Add curry paste and cook, stirring, for 3 minutes or until fragrant. Increase heat to high and add eggplants, ginger, peppercorns, mushroom, snake bean, makrut lime leaves and chili, and cook, stirring, for 2 minutes or until vegetables are just tender. Add remaining ingredients and toss to combine. Add fish and cook for 2 minutes or until warm through. Serve immediately.